look. What about this then? And that's a Harley, what is it?
Road King Classic.
Oh, a Road King Classic.
Yes.
With loads and loads of extras.
Get it.
Bars at the side, the breather kit, the clocks, the fender extender here, isn't it?
Stage 2, big ball kit.
Ooh, the clocks. Oh, the clocks. Yeah. And with the lights, flash the lights in. So it's got the lights, but this is a Harley thing. Yeah, when it does. Yeah.
Unalarmed.
Unalarmed, yeah. Hold on. Oh, it's in there. Safe. They are. They are. That's. You see the side-to-side lights? That's a thing. Yeah. That's
Chips.
what they do. Yeah. Look, with the HD on it. The discs. Is there a name to those discs? They
No
just.
idea. It's custom.
Yeah, custom, yeah. Custom. And the seat, look. The HD on the seat. Yeah. And the breathing kit, yeah. Wow. Yeah.
Vance and Hines
Lovely.
single shots.
Oh, yeah, Vance, what'd you say?
Vance and Hines single shots.
Right, it's 9. Oh, yeah, straight through pipes, you mean? Yeah. Oh, and white walls. Oh, there's something about white walls, isn't there?
It's called what Hondas wouldn't realise. It's called class.
Shut up. See, this is the banter. This is the, you know,
You see,
I'm a plastic fantastic.
this is a Rolls Royce. What you drive is an Impreza.
No, but this is a tractor.
And what you drive is a boy toy.
Yeah, boy toy. That's part of the fun of, you know, having a model and chasing it and, you know, liking it and loving it.
Reginald,
Yeah.
you will buy a Harley. You will
We'll buy an Harley.
You will buy a Harley.
It's set up into the stars, is it?
You will
Said,
buy
oh,
a
look at the
Harley.
chrome and look at the stuff you can buy for them. Oh, that's.
You thought your Valkyrie was nice.
Oh yeah. So the cover as well, wouldn't it? That would have been an ad on the timing cover.
Yes, that's a
Yeah.
Willie G.
A what?
Willie G. It's a
Oh.
Willie G.
Oh, a Willie G. Oh, is that what it's called?
Yes.
What, the cover or just that, the skull?
The school.
It's called a Willie G.
Yeah. And obviously your Screaming Eagle.
Oh yeah, the Screaming Eagle, yeah. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Lovely.
It's not your plastic fantastic.
No.
It is your
I do like my plastic fantastic though.
it's your metal and planted, not your plastic fantastic.
Proper, yeah. Metal and steel and rubber.
And planted.
Yeah. Wow.
Beautiful.
Say that again. The difference is.
The difference is a Harley Davidson like mine
Sounds like a
motorbike.
Could do with white walls on this one, but they're much the same. There's not much in the difference in length.
Mine's classic.
Actually, look. There we are. Look. No, they're not far off, are they? They're not far off. Okay, you've got to disregard the tow bar. An actual wheelbase.
About the same.
Yeah, this is all bodywork out the back here, isn't it?
Because yours is sitting slightly forward than mine anyway, so
Yeah.
I think yours is slightly longer.
Wheelbase. Surprising. That's 1800 cc, 6-cylinder. That's a
1550 big bore kit.
twin cylinder. Yeah. I'm not going to even ask you to fire yours up because I know I'm going to lose that battle. It seems, well, the only thing is you've got a screen, I've got a barn door in front of me. No? But you see, Debbie loves the back seats. Look at this for pillion size. Look at this for difference in, you know, you've got to have a fit bird on there. That's Debbie size. That's the thing, and secure.
I'll keep that one to myself.
And with the stereo, you know, the music and Just horses for courses, that's all, isn't it? It's all just about. It's all about.
If you was to have a look at a good Electra or a CDL,
Yeah.
that's it, this out of that.
Horses for courses. Yeah.
And the thing is, mine's 20 years old, yours is 10 years old, and mine's worth the same amount of money as yours.
Yeah.
And that's the thing, mine's 20 years old. But everybody's to their own.
Yeah, it's what I'm saying in motorcycles. There's such a variation. It's not, a motorcycle isn't two wheels and an engine. So many different types, styles.
It's characteristic.
Yeah.
If you've got a boring sort of personality, you buy a Honda. If you've got a sparkling personality, well, needs craving, you buy a Harley.
Shut
But if you want to be a gog,
yeah,
if you want to be a gog from North Wales, you buy a Honda. If you want to be a person with a personality, you buy a Harley.
About the throttle cables have got to be done. They reckon you've got to take the fuel tank out. If you're going that deep, you're going to a air filter. It's 500 quid just to take the. No, forget 100 quid for the air filter, but it's 500 quid labour just to get all this plastic off.
You're talking
air filter.
You're talking £1,000 to replace the throttle cable.
Two throttle cables.
It cost me 35 quid on this Harley.
Yeah, these are a nightmare.
And they say Harleys are no good.
To pull its pieces. All the dash. But I saw somewhere that even the fuel tank, which we sit on, you've got the front in front. We sit. Our fuel tank is. We sit underneath it here somewhere.
It's a dummy tank.
Yeah, the front is. Yeah. And it sits under here. But they reckon even that's got to come out to get to the throttles because the engine is here somewhere, isn't it? If this is the engine, so it's all underneath.
And people slide Harley Davidsons.
Yeah, but you haven't got coloured lights. You can't drive around like a fairy, can you?
Yeah, but you turn up like a man instead of a fairy.
And there's, oh dear me, yeah. Harley Davidson and a Honda, the same but different. Two wheels and an engine, but start with the same letter, but two different motorcycles altogether, aren't they?
One of you turn up as a bloody great big fairy spending a load of money for nothing. And the other one, you ride an Honda.
On the engine, the torque, you need some torque in that battery, don't you?
Yes, it is a big battery.
Kicks over.
1450 with a 1550 big bore kit.
Right,
Stage 2.
Listen to the torque.
What's that?
Ready? Watch the engine. Go on. Each one, yeah. It's a hell of a.
Not quick.
Right. See you later. Go careful. Head the noise. Yeah, I'm going down the bottom. Oh, wait. Go down the bottom. Yeah. Hey. Get the wing to cover his ears. Get the wing to cover his ears because he don't like a noise like that. Yeah. See you later, Ed. Here we go. Noise. Oh, I want to know something. Do you remember where we got this box spanner from? We got the box spanner from here, didn't we? And there's no sign of there was no sign of a broad arrow on it when we picked it up to first have a look at it. But I'm just wondering if any of these might have any broad arrows on them. I need to know. I'm in a need to know situation. Yeah. going to drive me mad. I want to know, have these got any markings of any sort on them? Because if that was there and they had that had markings, I wonder if there's any Ooh, we've got to break out the wire wheel, haven't we? Yeah, we've got to break out the wire wheel, and we've got to look for either a Polo or yeah, we need to know, don't we? Come on. Let's fire up the wire brush. Oh, that's a bit drastic there. We need to know if there's any markings on these, because you won't really know until you've put them on the wire brush. You won't see nothing, will you? That's the amazing thing about the wire brush. You buy them rusty and what's it, out the car boot, you pick them up and then you put them on the wire brush and you discover what they want to tell us. They've got to be the same, haven't they? They've got to be. Come on, let's get these and take them and put them on the wire brush. So they are scattered about, but we've got ourselves a handful of box spanners. Yeah, we could have vintage tools. We could have historical vintage tools if we could find some markings, or maybe broad arrows or whatever, or a name. There's not a hell of a lot to be seen, but it doesn't mean they're not there. And how many of you got these in the bottom of your boxes discarded? So come with me on an adventure live and at the scene, searching for markings, names, and who's to know there's not a broad arrow lurking in here. Who's to know? Oh, I need to know. We need to know now, don't we? We need to know. That's a niche we've got to scratch, this is. Let's don the safety glasses, put on the gloves because they're going to start getting warm, and let's...
Sorry, I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. It looks like there's an issue with the router and echo device.
Alexa, stop!
So try restarting.
Alexa, stop!
Unplug both of them.
Alexa,
Then plug the
stop!
router back in. Wait 30 seconds.
Shut up!
Once the router is back on and connected to the
She's
internet,
going anyway, come
plug
on.
the echo device.
Alexa, stop. Right, let's live and at the scene, let's have a look. Oh, we got something. We've got something already. What have we got? What is that? What does that say? Hold on. Turn the light around. Turn the big light around. Put some light on the screen. What does that say? We'll have a look in a minute. Anyway, there's one with something on it. Oh, there is something on this one as well now we've got the light on it. There's something here. Oh, this is an Apollo. So this is made by Akers and Pollock. It's an Apollo. It's something else Apollo. Oxaria? Oxaria, you can't really see that, can you? Hold on. You might have to do this. Oh, right. Right. What does that say? So the one said One said that. Something there, we'll have a look close in a minute. The Apollo, that says Apollo. Yeah, this one said Mel something, is that the right word? Yeah, it says Mel something, look. Mel something, ooh, keep going. It's very difficult, you can't see nothing on them. It's only the brush that's going to bring them up. No, there's nothing on this one. No, nothing. It's sitting in more to that one. Yeah. No good that one. Try this one. Oh, this one's well been in water, this one. Yeah. Nothing in this one either. If there was, it's well gone unperished. Yeah, can you see? Yeah. Nothing going to come out of that one. No. Let's go and get another two. Let's keep them over there. We'll get another two. See what comes out of this one. There is something on this one. The blemish. Yeah. Yeah, this is more of damage or deterioration or something. Yeah, there's nothing on that one. Yeah, here we go. Oh, there's quite a nice decoration on this one. Oh, this is that other Mel thing. Hold on. Yeah, this one is coming. There's something on this one. This might need the light of truth. Fairly faded. Quite a lot of writing on it. What's this one? That's that Mel something. Yeah, there is something there. We'll keep them for the light of truth. Nothing to be seen on this one, but we'll soon tell. You see anything coming out? I don't think so. Again, this is well been sitting in water, this one has. You can sort of tell her. These have been sitting in water quite some time. Don't think there was nothing on there anyway. No, nothing in that one. Ooh, this one's not too bad. If there's something hiding in this one, it should come out. Don't see anything. No, there's nothing on that one. No, nothing on that one. Okay, no, nothing on that one. Alright, let's get some more. We've got plenty of them to look at. What's this one? Ooh. What's this one? Pretty grim. Pretty grim. Well used. I mean, they were well used in their day. No, there's nothing in there. There's nothing on that one. No. Nothing on that one. This one's again been sitting in the damp. If there was anything, oh, there's a faint something here. Oh, there is something there. Can you see it coming? It is there. There's something. It's one of them Mel ones, I think, again. Oh yeah. There's something on this one. I think it's part of the set of the other one. But this one has got a lot of time on it, this one has. Oh, it's going to be faint. Something. Yeah, we've got really work this one out. Oh, there is something there worth investigating. There is something there worth investigating. Another one. Can't see nothing on it. Let's see what the brush gives us. First couple of passes, nothing. Keep going, keep searching. No, there's nothing on this one. Nope. No, there's nothing on this one either. Anything up here? No, there's nothing on that one. No. Okay, let's try this one then. No, nothing on this one. Just again, a couple of bits of damage, that's all. But I mean, they're good tubes just to make things with. You know, it's good stuff. It's good material, it's good steel. Where else are you going to get a little bit of round steel? So they're always worth cleaning up and putting in the stores. Nothing on that one. No, only pit marks. Yeah. Hold on, I'm going to get some more. This one. Don't think so. You just never know. The wire brush is amazing for finding stuff. Yeah, you can never say never until you put it on the wire brush. And there's nothing on that one, as suspected. Oh, there could be something there. No. Nothing there. No. It's just... No, nothing on that one. Try this one. No, nothing on that one. Let's have a look at this one. Is there anything on here? I don't think there was. No, nothing on here. No. What about this one? What about this one? This has been, ooh, this has had a hard life. No, nothing on that one. No, there's nothing there. Nothing on that one. Alright, let's try this one next then. You know pretty soon, once the brush has got onto it, took the first lot off, you soon see you think you see something when you work on it. There's something slightly there. Don't know what that would be. Find it, work it. No, it's nothing. Nope, nothing on that one. Right, we're going to try the big one. What did we see on this one? Just the size on this one. Just the size. I think that's more modern. Way more modern one, that is. Yeah, we've got just the size on that one. And this, was there a name on this? What did we see on this one? No again. Just the size on that one. Wow, now this, you can't see nothing on this, but you could see nothing on the other one. Let's see if we're lucky and we get a broad arrow out of this one. No, there's nothing obvious in this one. Again, this is well pitted. Yeah. No, well pitted. I mean, they're still worth hanging on to, because if I told you to go and get something this size, and possibly that size, because you're doing a project where you're going to get a couple of round pieces of steel that might just do what you want it to do. So let's have a closer look. Let's change around a bit and let's have a closer look. We'll use the light of truth to see what's on them other ones. Just give me 5 minutes to swap things. So here we are, we're under the light of truth. What did we see? What did it say? Is that the right way around to begin with? No. There we are, look. That is. It's not BSA, is it? Is that BS? Is that BSA? Motors BS. Something 20. BSO something. No. Too far gone. Yep, okay. Let's try this one. What was this one? This was okay. This was this is an Apollo. So this is made by Akels and Pollock in Oldbury. Yeah. OXBA. What the hell does that say? OXIBA. Oh, we'll have a look at that OXBA. It is a Apollo. Maybe it was part of a set or something. That's a bit OX BR Apollo. Yeah, they all seem to have had a tough life. They've all been mangled, haven't they? This was the one. This was the one, wasn't it? Now, what's this say? Mel... What is it? Melco? Does it say? Made in... Ooh. What's at the very bottom? Where my nail is. Made in... That almost looks like... Is that England or Germany? Ooh, I don't know. M-I... Don't know what that is. M-E? M-I? Oh, Mel. Mel is definitely a M something, isn't it? So that is trying to... Oh, look, measurement. A 21, a 14 mil. Ooh, not as old as we thought. 21, whatever 21 means. 21, 14 mil. That's never a 14 mil. Then what did this one want to say to us? Again, this is what Mel something. Mel something 9. It says 9 mil there, look. 9 mil. BS 8, is it? BS 8. We've got quite a few to go through. There was quite a few box spanners moving around and mashing about. Anyway, that's cured my curiosity. I needed to know, didn't I? We all needed to know. Was there any more broad arrows knocking around? So whilst you lot have a little bit of a chill and do what you're doing, I'll get them all now and I'll scrub them all like brand new. And let's see what if they give us any information or have a look at them. And they all seem to be well used. They seem to get a good old hammering, don't they? So let's have a look at what have we got here. Let's this question is for James at Time Flies in the Shop. Is this a tolution? A tool-lusion? A tool that was never really a tool, that wasn't any good? I mean, they've all been well used. The holes have been stretched. This have been cracked. What's the nut goes on there? Are these a tolution? Or are they really prehistoric? What was before these? What was available before these? What sort of age are these just telling us to forgive them? I mean, somebody's put a wrench on the end of that one, haven't they? And they've tried to, you see the teeth of the wrench gripping into it, trying to turn it. They've put a pipe wrench or something on that, haven't they? Trying to turn whatever they've got to turn. What are we judging these unfairly? Every hole has been stretched and made round and twisted. They've had a tough job to do, haven't they? Are they made of cheese? There could be a whole bunch of Chinesian stuff. I don't think so. And actually, how old are they? Are we judging them unfairly? Do they, tools, they can't speak for themselves. So we have to judge them fairly, don't we? How old? What year are these? How old might they be? Are they in the 1800s? Are they proper vintage tools? How did these, and what, when they first invented them, somebody's come up and thought, oh, I've got a good idea. Let's make box spanners. The world's going to love them. And obviously the world did, because they're everywhere, aren't they? Box spanners are in every bottom of every toolbox that you'll ever find. From your uncle to your granddad, there'll be a random box. See, the holes are stretched. They've had a tough life, you know. They've been well used. Is this because they were used a lot, or is this because they weren't used a lot? They were used once and thrown away. They're trying to tell us something, aren't they? Aren't they? They're trying to, they're trying to speak to us. We're ready to judge them and throw them in the bottom of the toolbox. But maybe they're little hard-working soldiers that did a really good job in their day, in their era. They were granddads and great-granddad stuff, weren't they? And yeah, I used mine until it wore out. Is this the case? What's the story? Does anybody know what was before box spanners? Look at that. Wow. You would think this would have gone straight to the bin, but somebody's loved it and kept it long enough. And what the hell did that turn, So are we judging them unfairly? There's something about box spanners, isn't there? And you can see they've been sitting in water, they've held up. I mean, they're not made of cheap old plastic material, is it? They've took a hammering. You can tell they've took a hammering in the old rust bucket. Yeah. So what have they got? What are they telling us? Have we got to forgive them and see them as old soldiers surviving? Which what we do is what we like, isn't it? Or are they just a whole bunch of delusions? An illusion of a tool that never really worked. What do you think? What's your take? What did your granddad tell you about box spanners in his toolbox? Because we've all got them. They're all, buy any toolbox and you'll find a box spanner in there. Mostly well hammered. Mostly the holes have stretched or mangled or turned or twisted or split down the side. They're trying to, what is this? What's this old soldier trying to tell me? What's he trying to say? He was abused? He was loved to death until he wore out? Or was he abused, used once and thrown in the bin? You tell me what you think about, and what do you know about box spanners? Are we judging them unfairly? Because they're everywhere, aren't they? They are everywhere. And in every toolbox. Somewhere, somehow, in every granddad's toolbox. In every uncle's, every dead man's shed is full of them, aren't they? Yeah, wow. There's something we need to know, we need to understand more before we discard them in the box of delusions, the illusions of a tool that was never really a tool, was never any good from day one, made of Chinesium stuff. I don't know. I'm asking the question. I mean, look at this old boy here. It's well used, well stretched, beginning to split. This, of all the tools that have ever been thrown away, of all the things that have ever been thrown out the toolbox when you're having a bit of a clear out, why do these survive? Why do they hang on? Look. Why do they hang on, and how do they hang on inside Granddad's toolbox? Is it because I'm not going to throw it away because it was my dad? So is it a great-granddad thing? They do, don't they? They seem to hang on in the bottom of. It wasn't a case that, you know, somebody's got it and thrown it and cleared up, because now and again you do go through your toolbox. Now and again you, oh, this is useless, you throw it out of the way because you've got other stuff in it. But I mean, this is quite big. It takes a lot of room in a toolbox, this, doesn't it? And yet, whoever, whenever it was made, whatever they were doing with it, no matter the abuse they gave for it, they decided to hang on to it. And we've got it now. So what gives with these box spanners? What's the, you know, it's well hammered, well used, well abused, you know. But they're everywhere, aren't they? Is this something that was well used? Is this got sentimental value? Is that how it survived in a toolbox? You know? Or is it just something that fits in a, you know, been well, the edge has been knocked, hasn't it? Been knocked with an hammer. It's been battered, it's been knocked out of shape. It's been pulled the life out of, twisted the life out of it. And yet, they, and I'm not saying this particular one for this particular person, but they do, don't they? They manage to survive inside toolboxes. Yeah, I don't know what age would be on this, I don't know. But yeah, box spanners are fascinating. How many are there in our lives, in our toolboxes, in our dead men's sheds? And it's always the last ones that speak to you, isn't it? It's got an age on it, 1/8 on that one. And there was a 1/15 on that one, no, 7/16, something like that on that one. This one, what did this one have on? Yeah, look, this has got 12 on it and a 15 on it. Is that 12 and 16, 15? And this one's got an Austin on it. So this has got to be an Austin car. That's definitely, look, that's an Austin, isn't it? Yeah. So is that like the plug spanner for an Austin? I don't know. Again, look, it's somehow been bashed, somehow been knocked, hasn't it? It's been hammered. Why would someone hammer it? What's the story of that? But clearly, is that Austin the make? It reminds me a lot of the car. This has got to be a car spanner, hasn't it? Austin. When I first looked at it, I thought somebody's written shit on it because it's no good, but no, it's Austin. And it just brought its name out, yeah. So anyway, yeah. Austin, you don't see them marked very often.